challenge course and sand pit. We're in the intensive ATV UTV park, Extreme Park. Chicken shit. Oh, you chicken shit. Go over it. Go over it. Quit being a Sally! You bastard. I'm recording one-handed, so I have a valid excuse for not hitting these. That's my handlebar. I'm showing you folk. I'm your tour guide. Go over it! I'm not letting you through, I'm blocking you. Nope. Nope, you gotta go around. I'm not letting you through. You gotta go around. There you go. I'm a dick. Yeah! Woo! There you go. No nuts, no glory. See, aren't you glad I pushed you? Woo! Woo! I made him go over it. I made him go over it. Woo! Steep hill. Coming down and up the mountain. Get your ass up there. Kitty cat. Meow. Oh, this is steep when you're one-handed. Back to the sand pit now. This was underwater last year. Me and my dad took the Commander through. Just a little wee. This was all underwater last year. Okay, I'm gonna have some fun.